There, in this video, I'll be showing you a few tips for making your search in Summon a little bit more precise. Summon will give you tons of results on just about any topic, but it also gives you a lot of options for refining or filtering your results, which can help you find what you need faster. For example, if you only want scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, you can select that filter on the left-hand side of the page. And now you can see that all of my results are coming from scholarly journals. You can also limit your results by publication date if you're looking for more recent materials or something published before a specific date. This filter gives you a couple of set options. Or you can click on the pencil icon to set a specific time frame. If instead of scholarly articles, you want to see what popular and trade magazines have to say about your topic, you first want to clear your filters at the top. Then, under content type, you'll see a search bar as well as several different content type options. You can use the search bar to just type in the type of source you're looking for example, web resources. Or you can scroll down through the options and just check off the different types of content types you're looking for. And so now, my search is only showing results from newspapers, magazines, and trade publications instead of scholarly, peer-reviewed articles.